Great stuff. 11th of July 2024, we have Mäntsälä.
Mustamäentie.
Oh, Mustamäki, sorry, it's the S. This is 18. Putting 18 stickers, we have also put stickers here. It feels like another Stars modernization, although I don't know exactly the year. Hopefully it's not after 2006 or 5.
Yeah.
It's 1974 by Kone. That's another street. Probably 34510.
Yeah.
Extra. But it does sound like another Stars modernization.
Yeah.
But still, we don't need to write on it.
Yeah.
The new version number is V1 SY8352. Received at the modernization. The capacity is 4 purses of 320 grams. And 6 floors. That's another 2010.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is another 2000 modernization.
Yeah.
Maybe 2004 also.
Yeah.
But this stop button looks very much like a 1990 stuff.
Yeah.
Sometimes it was used instead of the regular.
Yeah.
But I don't think it's more as the late 1990s, but maybe early 2000s.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's